Yo, 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 what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in. I'm going to do a chart analysis on St. George Eco Mining Court. I'm going to do that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We start with getting some support and resistance. So we already know what happened here. We got this here, 99. We put all blue guys like last time. Extension on that. Go to the day chart right now. We can see it a little bit more. Oh yeah, so here we go. All right, let's see here. We got some hitting right there. Right here with the bill. Yeah. Just trying to get through this thing quick, man. Trying to make this video so long, guys. So I'm just kind of going through it in a hurry. We just get drawing some support and resistance. We got to see we got the area where it was stayed low at, and the breakout area here. All right, we're gonna go put a trend line here. Also gonna put a trend line here. Now the market's currently moving down. Now I know, like I like to make this thing, a little thicker than color, a solid color. I'll go back with the blue. All right, here we go. Let's see where this thing gonna go at. Let's go ahead and go to the we'll go to the 2 hour chart this time. We got a previous low. Well, we go, let's here. Let's put a resistance level here first. We got resistance there. All right. So we got a previous low here. This low was at 347. All right, we got level resistance there. That was a high right there at 99. Got resistance level here. There was a level of resistance here as well, but we'll put here with it. Matter of fact, let's get a price line here. We'll make that green. Call that a minor resistance level. I'll go with another color. Let me go with purple before, so we'll go with this color here. There's some swing highs right here. There was something there. Another should be doing that. We don't do that very often, don't it? I'm gonna go back with my orange on that, guys, too. I'm gonna go back and change that. We got another minor resistance here. I'm going with orange before. All right. We got a real dilemma on this pair here. We're on the stock here. We got a real dilemma here. Right now, this thing been trending up for how long here? Since the beginning of the year. Made a high. It's been falling. We got a high level of consolidation since the beginning of March. They really haven't really went anywhere. So we have an area of the structure will be this was trending here and it moved into a down market. It also it formed a little area of consolidation. So we'll put a level here. Minor level of support. All right. So we have the limit here. So this thing been swinging up and swinging high, and swinging up and swinging down. So this thing is really not going anywhere. So you got to watch out for that. You definitely have to watch out for that. So right now, anytime you have a area of consolidation, it's looking to break out. Now this is gonna be the dilemma. This week is gonna be keen on like a lot of stocks this week, just like the GameStop situation. So right now we have consolidation. We don't know how long this thing may consolidate. So this thing could break down and blow past these lows, break these lows, and go to another key price level here at 28.93. And at the lowest it may go is back down to 1.83. So I'm really pretty much watching this because it can shift on you and might not stay going in this direction. It really haven't completely recovered. If you go back to the other chart, we'll go back to the other chart on the higher time frame. So we'll pull a Fibonacci tool out on this thing. So it didn't really fully recover. So it didn't come back in 50% retrace. It came almost close to 50% retracement. It started moving back down. So you got to worry what's going on with that. And we know the next key level of possibly falling before it decides to rebound is 1.83. All right. So let's take a look how far this thing has retraced down here. Let's start right here. All right. So it came and broke through the 68. So that was a test. That was a test. When they broke through there, it came down with massive force. Right now, it's been undecided on where it's going to go at. So you want to be careful with this stock right now. They continue to move down to the downside and maybe go down to the 76 level. So we might be safe. Let's say 28.93 to 28.625. And then might get here and decide to turn around. So you might want, anybody want to be, bearish on this thing. Just keep in mind. You just want to wait till this consolidation. But if we want to stay on the bullish side of things, and you want to maybe put in a buy order, I'll wait till this thing decide to break between the 61 and that previous low and possibly get in if it decide to go there. Or you can get in at minor support level. If you got enough leverage in your account and you can withstand the drawdown it may have on this account, you might be in good shape. But I wouldn't go no further than I'll get out this trade after 26. But yeah, that's it right there. That's the analysis, guys. I'll let you get checking out.